guys, welcome to my channel. I am in the airport. We are going to travel from Patna to Bangalore from Vistara, and I am going to do a vlog about that. So we have done our checking and now we are waiting for the plane. Our boarding is not started yet. Yeah, I'll show it. Wait. Look, it's not started yet. So I'll meet you when we are in the plane. Okay? Hey guys, right now we are in the plane and the plane is moving. Guys, it's right now 11 o'clock. We are in the air. Look. And I have another window right there. So guys, we got a meal. I already ate it. It was very yummy. I have to still eat some. Yum. So guys, I have in my meal right now. Look, it is finished. Not the water, but the meat. Oh, sorry. You can see the ground now. The clouds are not there yet now. And other side. Okay. Guys, we are landing right now. I'll show you this landing in fast forward. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please give it a like and we'll see you next time. Bye. Peace.